Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making butter swim biscuits. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 stick of unsalted butter melted. To my all-purpose flour, I'm going to add in my baking powder, my salt, and also my sugar. And we're just going to mix it. Now you want to get a separate bowl. I also have a sifter, and I'm going to sift all my dry ingredients. Okay guys, you want to set your oven to 450 degrees. Now in your bowl, all you want to do is pour the flour up. You want to make a hole in the middle. Now we're going to pour our 2 cups of buttermilk in. And all you want to do now is mix until well combined. Okay, you want to make sure everything is mixed well and there's no dry flour. Now to my baking dish, I'm going to add my 1 stick of melted butter. Now I'm going to begin to add my dough over top. Now all we're going to do is spread it evenly into our baking dish. Make sure you get it nice and out to the edges. Just make it look nice and neat. Okay guys, once you're done, now you want to take a sharp knife and we're just going to put some lines down in there. Now we're ready to put them into our oven at 450 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so our biscuits are out of the oven. So I melted a little bit more butter, and all I'm going to do is brush it on top of them. Look how pretty they are. They're all nice and buttery, and they fluffed up really nice. Okay guys, look at how fluffy the biscuit is. It's nice and crispy around the edges. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.